Hello and welcome to our test review week for math. This is day 3 for this week. So if you have not watched the other 2 videos that were posted for earlier in this week, please go back and watch those ones before you watch this one. The worksheet is posted for you if you would like to print it out. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and get started here. Okay, for these activities, we are going to be focusing on our 3D shapes that we have learned. So for this row of shapes up here, it says draw a line under the sphere. Okay, so think back to our previous lessons, right? Which one of these objects has a sphere shape? The watermelon, that's correct. So we're going to underline it. Okay. Is there anything else that has a sphere shape? No. Good. Then it says circle the cone. So which one of these is a cone? Think about what we talked about previously. Okay. Is this a cone? No. Is this a cone? Yes. So I'm going to circle it. Is this a cone? No. Okay, so that's all we're doing for this row. So now let's take a look at this row here. It says circle the cylinder that is next to the cube. So let's find the cylinder first, or let's find the cube first. It says next to the cube. So where's the cube? Is this a cube? No. Is this a cube? No. Is this a cube? Yes. Now it says to circle the cylinder that is next to it. So next to it is here. Is this a cylinder? Yes, and we're going to circle it. Good. All right, and that's all we're doing for these activities. If your student does not know these 3D shapes, they need to go back and watch the video. I think it's called cube, cylinder, cone, and sphere. I think it's in that order. There's a review video posted for this for our previous lessons. So if they don't know what shapes these are, they should be able to name every single one. They need to go back and watch that video. And then this is our last exercise actually for this video. So it's a pretty short video, but it says draw to show the number 15 as 10 ones and extra ones. So let's see here. I'm going to get our counters at school are red, so let me just change up our thing here. Okay, so for a group of 10, we know that we have to draw a group of 10. How many 5 groups, think way back, how many 5 groups are there in a group of 10? Let's see. All right, so here's our first 5 group. Now we need another one, right? And we leave a space in between them. So here's one 5 group. Here's the second 5 group. So here's 10. And then we need our extra. So how many extra ones do we need to get to 15? We already have 10. How many extra do we need? So you should have 5 extra ones. So here's your group of 10. Here's your group of ones. So your student, I should be able to tell them any number, 10 through 20, and they should be able to show me a group of 10, just like this, 2 5 groups separated by a space, and then their extra ones off to the side. If they are not able to do that, just practice at home. Just give them certain numbers, and they can just practice, drawing their little counters. Otherwise, that is the end of this math review page 3. I'll be posting page 4 for tomorrow. So make sure you check back in tomorrow to watch that video. Thanks.